Hello and welcome. Today we are going to deal with political science chapter. What is democracy and why democracy? I know it's a long chapter, but I've tried to make it short and easy for you. So stay with me right through the video. Let's get into this class.
What is democracy? Democracy is a form of government where the rulers are elected by the people. Let's look some of its features. The power to make final decision rests on the members who have been elected by the people. Election is fair and free, where the ruling party also has a chance of losing. All adult citizens have one vote, and each vote is equivalent to one value, which is also called as universal adult franchisee. In democratic government, the rulers have to rule within its limits set by the constitutional laws and citizen rights.
Now, in your textbook, they have given three wonderful examples of three countries: Pakistan, China, and Mexico. Don't forget to read it. You'll get a better understanding of it. Let's move forward.
Now, there are many places which do not follow this form of government. Now, in Saudi Arabia, women are not allowed to vote. In Estonia, the Russian minority are not allowed to vote. In Fiji, they have a different system altogether. The original Fiji people have one vote. The outsiders who have come and stayed in Fiji have half vote. I'll tell you a short story of Zimbabwe. In 1980, there was a party which emerged to power. The name was ZANU-PF. Now, Robert Mugabe was elected as a president because he had great respect from the people. But once he came in power, his intentions started to change. In fact, he himself changed the constitution altogether. He declared strikes as illegal. Radio was controlled by the government. The newspaper was controlled by the government. Whatever came on TV was controlled by the government. He went to such an extent that even the judges were pressurized to give wrong judgments. In all systems, there has to be negative and positive, merits and demerits. Let's look at the demerits of democracy first. Now, the leaders change constantly, which creates instability. Now, there is political competition, which is the power play, and which gives very little scope for morality. Work is very slow because many people have to be consulted to take one decision. Sometimes leaders do not know what is best for people, which leads to bad decisions. There is corruption, and ordinary people do not know what is good for them. Okay, so these were the demerits. So now let's look at the merits. In democracy, government is more accountable. Even though decisions take time to be made in democracy, it is done with consultation with many people, which is also a positive side because after consulting many people, they will come to a conclusion which is best for people. The differences and the conflicts can be resolved by conversation. In democracy, citizens have various rights which help people to live with dignity. In democracy, we get a chance to correct our own mistakes.
That's it for today. See you next time. Till then, take care. Thank you very much.